Hi Forever family, it's Holly Stout. I just received a package in the mail today and I wanted to tell you how excited I am for the opportunity that you currently have in our European markets. We have put together a forever mask experience. And you may be thinking to yourself, why would I even want to promote two masks? Well, the first reason is the mask category is the only mask category that is growing and that's actually bringing people into the skincare industry. They're coming into an entire skincare regimen by simply using a mask. So that's an opportunity for your business to really go out and introduce people to Forever Living products and have them experience the amazing benefits of our skincare. I'm going to tell you a little bit about why I love these products and actually how you use them. We're going to start with the Aloe Bio cellulose mask. This is really your luxury treatment. It gets deep in the skin to help lighten, brighten, hydrate the skin, minimize the appearance of aging, and really delivers effect deep within the surface layers of the skin. This is a product that you're actually going to use one time a week. It is that good. The technology behind it is incredible. It's created only with science, and it is unique to Forever Living products. No other company in the world has a product of this type. We actually have Forever Living aloe vera actually weaved right into the fabric of the mask. So you get a dual phase approach. You get first the phase of the serum where your skin drinks in delicious serum with antioxidants, high concentration of aloe, horse chestnut extract. And then you get the second phase experience where your skin will actually begin to absorb the benefits from the mask fibers itself, which contains seagrass and aloe vera. Again, this is a product that you're going to use about one time a week. If you're really indulgent, feel free to use it twice, but one time really does the trick. The Sonia Refining Gel mask is a mask that you can actually use every single night. Now we recommend 2 to 3 times a week if you'd like, but you actually can use it every single night. And the thing that I love the most about this is number one, the way it was created, and number two, how easy it is to use. The way it was created, we took really incredible botanical extracts that may not necessarily play nice together, and we found a way with a revolutionary encapsulation system designed to hold all of those botanicals into place so that when your skin feels them, your skin breaks them down and knows exactly where to take them. They'll go right into your skin where your skin needs it most. It has licorice root, it has botanicals, it has a high concentration of aloe, but what I love the most about this mask is how easy it is to use. You put it on right before you go to bed. That's right. Just put it all over your face, work it in really nice into your skin, put it on, go to sleep, wake up, rinse it off, and look at the difference in your skin. Your skin will appear more youthful, it will feel velvety soft to the touch, it will look brighter and lighter, and it did all of that while you were asleep. I really hope you enjoy the opportunity of sharing this set with many of your new consumers, as well as trying it yourself if you haven't already. Your skin is going to feel different, it's going to look different, and it may just bring you a new customer into the world of the phenomenal skincare products that we offer. At the very least, I hope that you try it, that you enjoy it, and that you love it, because honestly, these are formulated with some of the highest quality standards, with the most safe ingredients, and with a company who knows how to do aloe vera better than anybody else in the world. I really hope you enjoy it.